Hey guys, if you're trying to send files from your Samsung phone to your PC using QuickShare, but the transfer is super slow, don't worry. Today I'll show you the simple fix. So first, let me show you the issue. As you can see here, my phone is connected to the PC via Bluetooth. The file is transferring very slowly. That's because even though my PC has Bluetooth, it's not using Wi-Fi, and QuickShare needs Wi-Fi, not just Bluetooth. Now to fix this, we need to disable Ethernet so our PC can connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the phone. Here's how you do it. To the control panel, click on Network and Internet, then go Quirk and Sharing Sentinel. Click on your Ethernet connection, then just hit the disable button once the Ethernet is disabled, and then cut it is disabled. Your PC will automatically connect to Wi-Fi. For me, it connected to the same Wi-Fi as my phone. Alright, now let's try sending the file again using QuickShare. And as you guys can see, the transfer speed is super fast now. That's because it's using Wi-Fi direct, not Bluetooth. So that's it guys, that's how I fixed the slow QuickShare file transfer speed by simply using Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet. If this helped you, go and make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.